Okay, what are you gonna do?
Add flour.
Flour? You need the flour first?
Yeah.
Yeah, take the flour right in front of you. And you open the color first.
Yeah.
What color is that?
The red color.
Red color.
Red color.
Yeah. And you're gonna put some.
Water.
You just put a few drops in water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll be very red. Okay, you can put the lid back. Now, you take the salt. What you gonna do with the salt?
And put the flour.
Good job.
And then put the flour.
Yeah. Good. And here. Good. Flour. Put the flour in the pan.
Then put our.
Yes, you can move this closer to you. Yeah. Just a bit.
Then what we put?
What do you want? Doesn't matter.
Eggs.
What is that?
Oil.
Good job.
Then I put it.
Awesome.
Then mix it.
Then mix it. Here you go. Okay, what is next? Easy, 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 easy. So now Mom will take that and we're gonna put on the stove and cook. Now, good. The Play-doh looks good. Okay, next color.
Yellow.
Yellow. We do the same thing we did before. Few drops of color in the water and then we mix all together. The salt goes with the flour and the oil go with the water and we put all the ingredients in the pan. Oh my god. Good. Okay, give to mommy back. Perfect. Next.
Oil.
Oh yeah, move this away. Remember you mix the flour with the salt?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And Mom will bring the salt again. I forgot. Good. And now Mommy will bring that pan again.
Okay, for me?
For you, of course.
Now, oil.
Good. Where are you gonna put the oil? In the pan, Mom. In the pan. Pan.
Now, in it.
Put the water in the pan too with the color. Just easy.
Easy.
Just drop all out. See some color left here. We're gonna do like this.
Wanna make it
You can mix it.
But I turn it black.
Yeah, looks like black. Yeah. From here is black. But we're gonna say soon.
And then 3 cups.
3 scoops.
5 cups.
5 scoops. Can you put all?
Yeah.
And try to mix and then Mom will cook again. Yes, that works. Can help?
Yeah.
I'll help you. Woo, we put
Then
on
we
the floor.
can.
Then we mix again. Mix, 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 mix.
Then
Play-doh
we
is about mixing. Mix, mix, mix.
It's a blue.
Wow, look, yep, look how beautiful it is. That is a royal blue. It's okay, mommy. We clean after. Do you like the Play-doh, Brianna?
Yeah.
Wow, what color do you have here?
Brown, red.
Yes, next.
Blue, blue.
And the last?
Yellow, yellow.
You say bye to the kids?
Bye.